Breaking news coming in of an IED that's been found on the Srinagar Bandipora road. The bomb squad is currently at the site defusing the IED. Now, there have been several such incidents coming to light where IEDs have been detected by our forces. Just a few days back also, we'd got information of a similar IED being found along the Srinagar-Baramulla highway. Now, this one along the Srinagar-Bandipora road where an IED has been found. We understand that the bomb squad is currently at the site to defuse the device. And you can see those visuals there of our personnel ensuring that the entire area is cordoned off. Nobody is around that particular device. And they've also ensured at this point that attempts are on to defuse this explosive device. This has, in fact, come to light of late in Jammu and Kashmir that several IEDs like this have been planted. A few weeks back, there was a car laden with explosives that was identified by our forces. A controlled explosion was then conducted. That was very similar to what we had witnessed in Pulwama in the attack on our forces. It was clearly the same strategy that terrorists had tried to use, but our forces did, in fact, using intel agency support, identify that threat immediately. In this particular case, you're seeing that an IED has been planted along a road. So clearly the intention was to create maximum casualties, not just to our forces, but also to locals. Second such instance coming to light in a matter of 1 week. Just a few days ago, we reported how an explosive device was also found along the Srinagar-Baramulla highway. We'll go across to a reporter in just a bit to get you the latest on this. I understand Shuja is with us now. Shuja, what are the latest updates on this incident? That explosive device, we understand attempts are on now to defuse it.
Well, that's correct. The explosive device was actually found early in the morning when a road opening party actually detected it. Now, the security forces, which includes the bomb disposal squad as well, have been trying since morning to defuse it, and even as we speak, there are attempts being made to do that. Let's remember there have been such incidents in last couple of weeks in which the militants have tried to sort of create situations or plan explosions like these against the security forces, but most of them have been most of these plans have been negated with a proactive effort of the security forces. We remember just a couple of weeks back was being planned, but the security forces detected it and diffused it even before they could sort of trigger it.
Okay, Shuja, for the moment, thank you for joining us. We'll closely track the updates that come in on that front. The bomb squad is currently at the site trying to defuse the device.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.